Action.
So, now we're going to learn about the basic animals. This one you may recognise. How adorable! How adorable! It's a cat. Meow! So, a cat. Next one, hopefully it will load nicely. A dog. 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 Brilliant. You sound like a pro already. The next one is a horse, which goes neigh. So a horse. Horse. Brilliant. Baa baa, black sheep, have you any wool? This is a sheep. Sheep. Ba. In plural, they're called sheep still, so don't say sheeps. Otherwise people will think that you're weird. Sheep. The next one is a pig. Attractive, I know. A pig. Pig. Good, good, good. The next one we have is... Oh, we have a rabbit. A rabbit. 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 Fantastic. What do we have next, I wonder? We have a goat. Goats are like sheep, they go meh. But like the sheep go bah and goats go meh, so that's the difference. But you ever read the story of 3 billy goats gruff and they go over the bridge? Good story, good story. Next one we have is a cow. It's where we get our milk from, well, most of us. Moo, a cow. Obviously, this is a female cow. A male cow is generally called a bull. So cow and bull. Cow, bull. After that, we have a fish. I'm not going to name every single fish in the sea because there's so many different types of fish, from salmon to cod and hake and all sorts. But a fish. Fish. Good, good, good. What do we have next? Oh, that's a nice picture. A bird. Bird. Tweet, 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 tweet. Twitter, twitter, twit. A bird. Can I hear you say bird? Oh, it's like music to my ears. Oh, this one's a kind of a bird. We have a chicken. Cluck, 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 cluck. Chick, chick, chicken. 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 Can you say chicken for me? Lovely jubbly. Chicken. And I think that's all I've got at the moment, so we're going to recap and go through them. So you have a cat. Baby cats are called kittens, by the way. So cat, kitten. We next have our dog. A baby dog is a puppy. Dog, puppy. Horse. A baby horse is called a foal. So horse or fowl. Sheep, or a baby sheep, is called a lamb. If you have a roast, it will be roast lamb in general. But it's not really a baby, they're not that cruel. But lamb or sheep. pig. Pig. Or a baby pig is a piglet, like in Winnie the Pooh. Next we have a rabbit. Some people call them bunnies, but they're rabbits. A baby bunny is also called a kitten for some reason. Don't ask me why. I didn't make the English language. Next we have our goat. And baby goats are actually called kids, just like us, so, you know, you can tell, you can just tell. Next we have our fish. Fish. After that, we have our bird. Then we have our chicken. Chicken. Baby chickens are called chicks. And last but not least, we have our cow. And baby cows are called calves. So we have our cat, our dog, our horse, a pig, a rabbit, a goat, a fish, a bird, a chicken and a cow. Well, that's a big farm to have at the moment. As you can see, I can't all cram them into this room, so they're in the other room. So, now you know the kind of basic farm animals. I hope to see you next time. Bye!